Hello guys, welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 best free games for Mac. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.
If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started.
Number 1. Fortnite Battle Royale. Fortnite is one of the most popular games in the world, developed by Epic Games and released in 2017. And it is the best free game for Mac users. Within a short span, this game became popular. Over 125 million people have downloaded and playing this game all over the world. Fortnite is available in 3 distinct game mode versions. Those are Save the World, Fortnite Battle Royale, Fortnite Creative. All the 3 game mode versions became popular, and out of the 3, Battle Royale became the most popular. Fortnite Battle Royale is a player versus player game for up to 100 players, allowing one to play alone. That is, it lets you and 99 opponents compete with each other. Here you and all the remaining 99 players need to find and collect weapons, resources, items, and even vehicles while trying to stay alive and to combat and eliminate other players. And the player who survives and stands up to the last minute will be the final winner. Mac must have 4GB RAM and Intel HD 4000 graphics card for a better gaming experience. Number 2. The Lord of the Rings Online. The Lord of the Rings Online is one of the best massively multiplayer online role-playing games, MMORPG, developed by Turbine. Here you need to play with several online players. This particular game falls under the adventure genre of MMO and is the best one to play it. The theme of the game is adopted from stories. Here you need to pick up a character and travel over Middle-earth by killing enemies and making some friends in the process. This game is available in both the free and paid versions. And your Mac must have an i5 processor with 2GB of RAM, Intel HD 3000 graphics card, and a 30GB of storage for smooth running and playing of this game. Number 3. Hearthstone. Hearthstone is one of the best card-based strategy games developed by Blizzard Entertainment. If you love card-based strategy games, then you can really enjoy this game. It is an online digital collectible card game developed based on the popular Warcraft universe. The theme is really simple. You need to pick up 3 to 4 cards out of your customized deck of 30 cards. And you need to empty the health of your opponent before he does the same to you to become the winner. Usually, most of the Blizzard games are free up to some extent, and those are good enough to play. But Hearthstone is completely free, and with a single account, you can play this game on Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS devices. Your Mac requires a minimum of 2GB RAM. Number 4. Spelunky. Spelunky is the best indie 2D video platform game, and it works well on any Mac. That is, on Mac with older and newer versions. And it is completely free to play. If you love indie adventure 2D video platform games, then Spelunky is the best game for you. The game is simple to play. You need to search the underground tunnels and gather as much treasure as possible while avoiding the traps and enemies filling the tunnels. In order to survive and explore the caves, you need to whip or jump on enemies, pick up items, or use bombs and ropes. The only drawback is that you will get only 1 life. Your Mac device must have OS X 10.9 or later versions, 4GB of RAM, and 12.5GB of available storage. Number 5. Starcraft II. Starcraft II is one of the best and real-time strategic games developed by Blizzard Entertainment. If you like strategic games very much, then you can really enjoy this game. It is a military science fiction-based real-time strategy game which involves intergalactic wars with multiplayer modes. With its 3 races, 4 modes, and infinite ways to play, you can definitely feel an ultimate real-time strategic experience. Though this game isn't completely free, its Wings of Liberty campaign is absolutely free and will give you a fair idea of the game. If you want to enjoy this game fully, you need to upgrade to its paid version. Further, you need a gaming keyboard and mouse. And these are mandatory for the best gaming experience. Your Mac device must have 4GB of RAM and 30GB of free space on your hard drive.
I hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.